everyone, in today's video we are gonna see the top 10 stars, the biggest stars. So starting off with number 10, Pisces 24-1b. So this is a star like 24-1a, which is another 100 plus solar mass star in Pisces 24 region within the constellation Scorpius. Okay, now let us move on to the ninth one. The ninth one also looks the same, Pisces 24-1 A. So last time we see about B, but now we are going to see about A. The same picture and the way it looks is it's the same. And the parts of the nebula like the NGC 6357 located in the Pisces 24 cluster is a variable blue supergiant. What do you mean by a blue supergiant? So for example, in our Earth we do say about the Mars is a red supergiant, like that we do have blue supergiant. So for example, if you take the red supergiants in the star list, that is the largest stars in the sky belt. They don't start out that the way, but as different kinds of star jays, they undergo changes that make them big and red or big and blue, and it's a all part star life and its star's death. So that's what you call a supergiant star. So, this part of a cluster of three nearly objects like 24-1a, which we are seeing right now, represents the most massive and luminous of the group. Luminous in the sense it emits its own light. That means 100% pure. It is taking up from its own light. Of the group with a mass of 100 and 120 solar masses. So in upcoming videos we will also talk about what is solar mass. Next, moving on to the 8th one, NGC 3603A1. Another binary system object, like as I said, NGC 3603A1 is about 20,000 light years from the Earth in constellation Carina. The 116 masses solar system has a companion that tips the scales at more than 89 solar masses. Now let's go to the 7th one, HD 93250. So you can see why it is named as HD. So it looks realistic, like we see over the white areas, it's like the ocean. And the HD is also like blue hypergiants because it is mostly of water with a mass of 118 times the times of the our sun. This star is located near the constellation of Carina, as we see in NGC 3603A1. These both are in the same locations nearby, and this is on the Carina Nebula. So constellation Carina or Carina Nebula, both are the same. Now let's go to HD 93129A. So this is the blue hypergiant, the same one, but it also makes a short list for the most luminous stars. That means it has the most number of stars in the solar system. It is located at the same area by NGC 372. Last time we see about it's on the NGC 3603, but this HD 93129A is on NGC 372. That means it is coming towards our Earth. It's nearby. Next of all, the fourth one, VR 102K, the Pony Nebula star. So the Pony Nebula star, which is located in the constellation of Sagittarius. The Pony Nebula star is a Wolf-Rayet. It classes as the blue hypergiant, similar to 30136A1. This one. and this is the most luminous number of stars at 3.2 million times that of our sun. In the Milky Way galaxy, in addition to its 150 solar masses, it's rather than a larger star, some 100 times the radius of the sun. It's really big. And the HD 269 and 110, it is on the third place. This was found on the Dorado constellation HD 286, also known as HD 269 810 or R122. It is nearly about 1,70,000 light years from the sun, which is about 18.5 times the radius of our sun, while outputting more than 2.2 million times sun's luminosity. And this one has the second place. We are 101G. It is the mass measured in the 150 times of the mass of our sun. Very little known about this object, but its sheer size earns it a spot on our list. Nextly, R 113 6A1. This star holds currently the record of massive star known to the exist universe, but it is in the first place on the solar system. It has 265 times of the mass of our sun, more than double most stars on the list. Astronomers are still trying to understand how this star can even exist on our solar system. So after astronomers checks it, I will be updating. Stay tuned.